These days, creating faceless videos has become very easy. Channels like Statue of Wisdom are earning thousands of dollars by uploading simple self-improvement videos. You'll be shocked to hear that they are using free AI tools to create these types of videos. However, you will only get views on these types of videos if you stay consistent. The only reason this channel has over 160,000 subscribers is that the creator remained consistent. In this niche, you have to stay consistent, just like this YouTuber did. If this creator had given up in the beginning, he wouldn't be earning thousands of dollars every month from this channel. So, in today's video, I will teach you all how to create amazing videos like these. Don't skip any part of this video, and by the end, you will become a money-making machine with all the knowledge required to start your own YouTube channel. By writing a good script, your chances of going viral on YouTube increase by 70%. But writing a good script with the help of AI can be difficult if you don't know how to use ChatGPT correctly. You might end up writing a boring script, which we don't want. After hours of research, I have written a perfect prompt that will help you create a good script in just one click. I have given the prompt in the description. Simply copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will have your script ready. Now, we need another prompt for the images we will use in our video. I've also provided the image prompt in the description. Just copy and paste it, and ChatGPT will give you a prompt for images in a few seconds. Next, we will create the voiceover. For the voiceover, I will use 11 labs. Here you will copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it. Then, select the Atom voice, click Generate, and download your voiceover. Now we need to generate images. You have many options for generating images like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, Lexica AI, and other AI tools, but for this, we will use Leonardo AI. Copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Then you have to keep repeating the process until all your images are generated. After that, you have to download all your images. Add all your materials to your video editing software. I recommend using CapCut because it is very easy to use. Bring your voiceover onto the timeline and remove any silences from it. If there are silences in your video, the audience won't enjoy it as much, so definitely remove silences from your voiceover. Place your images according to your voiceover, which is a very important process. Next, add some effects and transitions to make your video more engaging. Then click on Auto Captions and add auto captions. Select a template that is not too over the top and looks good in the video. Add background music to your video. I recommend using the YouTube audio library where you can easily find all types of music without any copyright issues. So, our video is ready now. Let's see how our video turned out.
Throughout history, individuals like Leonardo da Vinci, who was not only a master artist but also a visionary inventor, and Marie Curie, who shattered the glass ceiling in science with her pioneering research on radioactivity, have demonstrated the power of relentless curiosity and resilience. Their stories remind us that the pursuit of
If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Tell me in the comments what topic you want the next video to be on. Until then, bye-bye.